How you doing? I'm Mr. Carlone, and this is Woodworking 1. Woodworking 1 is a half-year course offered in the fall and spring semesters. It is an introductory course where students learn how to use all the equipment in the manufacturing lab while working through their first wood projects. Milling materials, laminating, simple joinery, and finishing are all on the list of skills students develop when taking this course. Students will develop and design their own projects and use both stationary and handheld power tools to build their vision. The course offers students a creative outlet where they can take their new skills to new levels of projects. This independent course gives students the skills to use the laser and CNC machine to create their own projects, both big and small.